This is my new SHASHIBO, and this one they call Spaced Out. I kind of think of it as some melted crayons or kind of a cool tie-dye pattern. SHASHIBOs are not really Rubik's Cube. They're kind of a puzzle game. They're kind of just a fidget thing. What you see is I can find a place where I can open it, and there's these triangle pieces. Let me try to get down to a specific triangle piece. I think that's one of the triangle pieces. And these things are connected to each other in some kind of patterns. And each of the SHASHIBOs, I think, is in a different configuration, honestly, because they make different shapes. And then they've got magnets. See how they kind of snap together? And what I'm doing now is I've taken that cube and I've taken it down into sort of a weird snake shape, I guess. And now I'm letting that snake shape go back together, but with a hollow inside. And it's a little tricky to get all the magnets to line up, but boom, look what happened. I now made, I don't know what to call this pattern, but it's like the cube turned inside out. It's hollow inside, there's nothing in there, but man, is this thing a lot of fun. Now this is just 2 patterns you can make with this. You can make so many more. We want to thank SHASHIBO for sending us this one to check out. This makes a great gift idea. I hope this helps.